What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the front headlight bulbs in this Nissan Frontier. So let's go ahead and start off by opening up the hood. Let's take a look at both sides. This is the driver's side, and down here is the passenger side. Now, get into one side is easier than the other, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the driver's side. So right here, you can pretty much get in here with your hand, and you want to first start off by finding this plastic housing that's holding the bulb, and then just twist it, and then just yank out the bulb. I mean, it's really straightforward, as you can see here, but it's still connected to the bulb connector. So let's press this tab up, and then you can take off the first bulb. This is already an upgraded bulb, LED bulb. Of course, if you have any kind of HID or halogen bulbs, you want to wear gloves just to make sure that any kind of oil that gets on the bulb is minimal, or ideally you don't touch those bulbs with your hands at all. That way they'll last longer. And right here, I would say my hand can reach here, but I would say the easier part's going to be to at least remove this battery holder, or at least battery bracket, holding bracket, and then from there you should be able to twist it. So let's take this off. Okay, now that's off. Whoopsie. Now that's off, we can go ahead and start getting into the last bulb on the passenger side. You're not going to be able to see much here, but you can definitely feel and follow the wires to where the bulb goes to. So there you go, there it is. I found it. Twisted the plastic like on the other side, and let's pull this up. Here it is, and same thing. Pull the tab up. There we go. Pull it off, and there you go. There's the second bulb. Now that we got these bulbs out, let's say for your sake, these are the old bulbs. Let's go ahead and put in the new ones. And we'll pretty much do everything here in reverse order. So we'll start off with putting back the driver's side, and we'll finish off with the passenger side. You can also check here and make sure the bulb is actually in the hole. There we go. That one's sitting in place. Now let's reconnect. Okay, fully connected. Let's move on to the last side. And here it is, same side. There we go. That one's in there as well now. So let's reconnect. There we go. And let's test out, make sure they both turn on. Okay, our headlights work. The new upgrade that you just installed now works. So let's finish off by placing the battery holding bracket back in. All right, that battery ain't going nowhere, and we're done with this bulb replacement. Thanks for watching, guys.